Unseasoned investors extrapolate recent past performance into the future and forsake diversification and take unnecessary risks. If it's something made 20% per year for the last 3 years, it doesn't mean it's going to keep making 20% per year for the next 3 years. If it was down 5 or 10% for a couple years, then it doesn't mean it's going to keep doing that, especially if you're prudently invested to begin with. Here's Ken Hebner. This guy provides lessons for our classes every single year. He was once America's hottest investor. This was May 27, 2008. Never mind the rocky market, after a string of super smart calls, mutual fund manager Ken Hebner is putting up the best numbers of his sterling career. Best stock fund of the decade, CGM Focus Fund. This was December 31st, 2009. Meet the decade's best performing U.S. diversified, and I'll question that because it's not really diversified, U.S. diversified stock mutual fund, Ken Hebner's $3.7 billion CGM Focus Fund, which rose more than 18% annually and outpaced its rivals by more than 3%. This, I'm going to show you, is an anomaly. He had 1 or 2 years of really, really good performance that skewed the 10-year numbers. He got lucky. But this is what investors saw. He made 79% in 2007, so they piled into his fund. Piled in. They didn't pay attention to the standard deviation and the betas I showed you at the beginning of the class. His beta is 1.23 on his fund, 21.22 on his standard deviation. That is extremely high risk. But they saw that 79%. Then, June 24th, 2010, money manager Ken Hebner, a hot touch gone cold. Hebner's CGM Focus, one of the best performing mutual fund, has lagged its rivals since 2008 and ever since. And we're in 2018. But this is what investors saw, plus 79, and then the next year, minus 48. This is the chart they saw. Investors make the mistake of looking at that chart and saying, wow, it's going to keep doing that. Seems reasonable, right? This is what they saw, and that's the next 11 years. Crazy. Risks forgotten. 2008, minus 40, then plus 37. They jumped on again, then plus 1, minus 4, plus 9, plus 24. And that plus 24 in 2017, it did a little bit better than our aggressive. We were about plus 21 that year. And then minus 24 in 2018. Minus 24%.